How to delete messages on Messenger from both sides. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. If you're trying to delete a message but from both sides, so the person that you send it to as well, then in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So first of all, open up the chat where you want to delete the messages from both sides. And once you open up the chat, you just need to tap and hold the chat or the message that you've sent, and you'll see this menu on the bottom. You just need to tap on the more option, tap on remove, and you can see there are two options. If you tap on remove, this message will be only removed and deleted from your side. But if you want to delete it from both sides, you need to tap on the first option, which is unsend. Once you tap on unsend, as you can see, this message now has been unsent, which means deleted from both sides. Other people will be able to also see this notification which says you unsent a message. Even if you remove this, it's gonna only be removed from your section or your side, and the other person will be still able to view that notification that you unsent the message. So that's all it takes to delete messages on Messenger from both sides. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in more daily videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell.